How to hide comments on Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can hide comments on an Instagram post, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide comments on an Instagram post, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically launch the Instagram application. And after you've done that, you can basically come to your profile page and then select a certain post for which you would like to hide the comments. Now you can tap the three dots option from the top right and select the option called turn off commenting. This will disable and hide any of the comments that has been made to this particular video or this particular post. And this is done after posting it, right? Let's say even while you are actually posting something, I'll just go ahead and select a random section over here. After I've done that, I can tap the next option, tap on next, and then what I can do is I can actually go to advanced settings here, and then I can just turn off commenting for this post before I even make any of the posts for this. Once I turn off commenting, I can go ahead and share it and no one else will be able to comment on my photos. This way I will be able to hide comments on Instagram posts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.